Bird, bird, birdie bird, and the bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are at the DJI's new event here. It's going to happen over there. The long-awaited Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom will be released and we don't know what else is waiting for us. Let's go ahead and talk to you inside. Hello again. Apparently this black bracelet means that I will have access to drones today and I'll be able to test them for you. So I'm so excited. Let's hear the presentation first and then fly.
This is the DJI Mavic 2 series. Yeah. That's taking outside the box. That's how you know, right? Water bottle.
Way to go. I see you're also a fellow GoPro user.
Yeah. Easy to do.
Get a Pro here.
Is that the Pro?
Yeah. You
Oh,
also want this shot,
well,
right?
that's the Zoom.
Yeah. Oh.
That's the Zoom.
I want them one next to the other.
Yeah, that would actually be a good shot. I know that's one with
Hasselblad. Do we have a Pro over there? I think he's taking a photo.
Yeah, he's got it.
If we can grab that one after he's done.
The sticks, they freaking did the sticks like that.
Yeah.
They did it? Nice.
Yeah.
So much better.
I can grab that.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let me just, fold it up and unfold it on
Yeah.
camera. If you would like to shoot what I'm doing, feel free. So, expensive drone? More expensive drone. Okay, so let's start with the, well, how much was this? 1200?
I think it's 1200. They don't say, they haven't put the, they didn't put the price on.
1249 and 1449.
1249.
Okay, a lot for both.
The batteries are actually in stock on their website too, so if you're gonna order right now.
Yeah?
They let me do next day ship on 4 batteries, which never happens.
Birdie bird.
I'm sorry, I'm on 8 and 44.
Yeah, another sensor, 2 sensors, another sensor, and the sensors underneath this thing has to be supposed to be pretty much the smartest, safest road ever created. Let's check out the actual. There it is. This guy's got it. This one has the guards on it here. Pretty much the same exact drone, just with a different camera and different visuals.
Alright guys, so the event is almost over. We actually got to fly the Zoom and Pro models, which are available here. Here is a Pro, and you can also see, okay, there are a lot of Pros here. Let me go ahead and then find out the Zoom model. Yeah, there it is. So I think it was a fantastic event. Even though we knew a lot about these drones, it's still an amazing experience to see them in person. I have footage, like I have 4K footage, I have 1080p, 60 frames per second footage to compare, and because of this fantastic location and the way more pros actually filmed using these two drones, you're going to see amazing footage. We are going to be able to compare the Zoom with the Pro. We will see if the Hasselblad brand is actually making this drone out of this world. Alright, so I think this will be all from the event. I think they are about to start collecting the drones and taking them away from us. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe. Full reviews, this and that are all coming. just to let you know, we already ordered the Mavic Pro for us. There will be expedited shipping, so more great content is on its way. Thanks for watching.